and we'll light up a fire. We are committed to staying at India Gate the whole day, the whole night, the next day, the next night, and the day after, and the day and the night after, till there is a resolution to some of these basic questions. The time has come to ask these tough, direct, short, crisp, but basic questions. These are basic questions, these are fundamental questions. The point is that it has been 12 years since we passed and enacted a law. It has been 1 year since we ratified the UN Convention. It has been more than 1 year since we had the 11th plan. Lot of noise, lot of promises, no action on the field. So then what do we do? One more World Disability Day, one more 3rd December, one more celebration, one more dance, one more song, a few more balloons, some more banners, and everyone pretends that everything is hunky-dory and they were all happy. And then we print a few posters and we bring out a few souvenirs. Then who are we trying to fool? I am making an appeal to you. I wish I could come to where you are. I wish I could come to your city, to your town. I wish I could be personally there in Bangalore. I wish I could be personally there in Chennai, in Calcutta, in Mumbai, in whichever other city or town of India. That's not possible. We who are based in Delhi are going to do what we can. Now we are throwing a challenge at you. We are requesting you, we are asking you, we are making an appeal to you to please come and join us. Come from where you are. Whether you are in Mumbai or Chennai or Bangalore or Calcutta or Jaipur or Lucknow or this town or that town, big town, small town, take the trouble, take the ownership. We have been blaming people, we have been blaming somebody else all the time. He didn't do this, she didn't do this, government didn't do this, politician didn't do this, media is insensitive, blah, 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 blah. The time has come for the disabled people and their parents and their friends and their siblings, and for anyone who cares even this much for disability. The time has come to take ownership. Take that ownership. We have got these tools. We have got the Disability Act, we have got the UNCRPD, we have got the 11th plan, we have got the National Trust Act, we have got so many other statements and policies and pieces of paper. We must take ownership. We must take the trouble. Things are not going to happen easy. Things are not going to happen sitting at home. Step out of your homes, book yourself a ticket, travel to Delhi, come to Delhi, spend those 2 days or 3 days or 4 days or 5 days or whatever it takes in Delhi, face the trouble, sacrifice, face that cold, and I promise you that we'll get results. I also promise you that the weather would be cold in Delhi, but we'll light up some fires. We'll light up both the fires. We'll light up the fire, the physical fire to keep the weather warm, and we'll light up some fires in our minds and in our hearts and in our souls. Because we have to ask these questions. We have to ask the government, we have to ask the political parties. You see, it's a momentous occasion. It's the end of the year. The tenure of the present government is coming to an end. Elections are around the corner. This is the best time and the only time to catch the attention of the politician. Whether it's the Congress, whether it's the BJP, whether it's the Communist Party, we have to ask them some difficult questions and we have to ask for a time frame. Whosoever comes to power next, what is going to happen in 6 months? What is going to happen in 3 months? What is the kind of resource allocation that is going to be given to us? I wish I could go into details, but obviously there is a time constraint. I can only appeal to you again and again and again, come to Delhi on the 3rd of December. If you are interested, give us a call, send us an email, contact us. We'll give you the other details. But don't expect anything from us or from anybody else. This is the time to exhibit your commitment to the disability sector, to the disability movement, and to the cause which is dear to all of us. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your attention.